Most crypto apps give you noise. FinTech Dynasty was built to give you clarity. Right from the start, the app walks you through setup in a simple way. Choose your base currency, set your preferences, and build the experience around how you want to track the market. Once you're in, everything is laid out clearly. Settings are simple, clean, and easy to manage. Now we move into the market view. Here you can scan cryptocurrencies, check prices, and search through assets in a clean interface that is built to feel fast and easy to use. When you open a coin like XRP, you get a clearer breakdown of what is happening: price, movement, market information, and the key details that give the chart more context. You can also move into advanced chart tools for a deeper view. This gives you more room to study price action and explore the market in more detail. From here, you can save the asset to your watch list or create an alert directly from the coin page, which makes the workflow simple and efficient. The watch list keeps your selected assets together in one place, so you can come back and monitor them quickly without searching all over again. Then we move into alerts. This section helps you track important price moves and manage notifications in a more practical way. Creating an alert is straightforward. Choose the coin, choose the alert type, and set the conditions you want to track. You can use price targets or percentage change alerts depending on how you want to monitor the market. You can also control whether the alert is triggered above or below a target, and even make it recurring when needed. Once alerts are active, they appear in your list so you can review them, manage them, and stay organized. Now we move into one of the most useful sections of the app: cold storage. This is where FinTech Dynasty goes beyond tracking and helps with security education too. Here you can compare major hardware wallets like Ledger, Trezor, DCENT, Ellipal, and Tangem in one place instead of jumping across different websites. When you open a wallet page, you get structured information instead of random opinions. The goal is to make research easier and much less overwhelming. Here, for example, is the Ledger section, where the app explains the lineup and breaks the products down in a clearer format. Then we move into DCENT, where the app explains what the wallet is, how it works, and what makes it different. The wallet pages also include pros and cons, so users can compare options more realistically instead of just reading marketing claims. And when you want to take the next step, you can go directly from research into action with the wallet links built into the app. FinTech Dynasty also includes educational content inside the app, so it is not just about watching prices. It is about building real understanding. This brings together crypto tracking, alerts, wallet research, and learning in one place. FinTech Dynasty. No trading, no hype, just understanding. Download FinTech Dynasty today and start tracking and learning crypto in one clean app. FinTech Dynasty, built for clarity, security, and understanding.